Yeah, that's stuck onto it. Why? Ugh, flop. Take 2. Hello. Okay, so today I'm gonna be reviewing, or is it a tutorial? So these are some Shein lashes I got. And then I also got this eyelash seal and bond. Woo! You got your bond side and your seal side. What lashes am I going to use first? I think I want like the deeper ones, like the darker ones. So there's this one. And there's this one. They look the same on camera. But this is a lot darker. I'm going to start off with the 16. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook from the root. Hook from the root. I'm going to open the bond side. Looks like there's nothing in there. Okay. This is weird. I don't like that. Just gonna put it directly on my lash. Like mascara. Why is it like there's nothing on there? Okay, no, there's something there, but... Put some on here. Oh, flop. Take 2. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done this side. I think it's really cute. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side and show you guys. I'm going to I'm going to apply all of this over... Hair stuck on it. All over my lashes, like mascara. But yeah, from the base. Like so. And then I'm just going to slide it up a bit. I'm going to put some glue on the inner side of the lash, just at the bottom. Try and put it like midway. So not right at the top, not right at the bottom obviously because the glue's there, but like kind of in the middle. Put that in the corner. Not too low. Okay, and then pat that, and that's done. Then another 16, some glue. So it helps to wipe the tweezer between each. She's saying, hell no. There we go, right next to your sister. And then pat. So I'm gonna go in with 2 14s. I'm gonna add some more glue on my lashes because probably dried down by now. Damn, that glue is strong. And then pat that down like so. I'm gonna put one more 14 on. Some glue. Oh, that one's got a gap. Should I leave it? No, I don't like that. There we go. Let's have it. Let's have it. Stop. Was that 2 14s? This is 1, isn't it? I don't even remember what I did on the other side. So I'm gonna do a 12 now. Okay. 12. There we go. And then on the inside, I'm going with a number 10. What are we thinking? I think this is so cute. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.